Hello, Chef here, working with a pot roast today. I thought I'd share some of the recipe with you to make you a better cook. It's very simple. Select a good pot roast that has nice marbling and color. You want to try to get it when it's on sale. And this one here is a 4-pounder. There's a pretty good fat cap on the back. I got to remove some of that. So I've got a knife here. Let's get started. Let's see what's going on here. Well, there's just a little bit too much fat for my liking. Some people will leave this on there, but I'm going to remove it. So this, you want to try to remove as little bit of meat as possible. This actually will go to the dog. It's good for animals. They like it too. And we're going to remove a little more of that fat, just like this. Okay, and this is already looking pretty good. There's a chunk here I'm not crazy about. It's just got a little nasty look to it. Sometimes you get the dye. The dye doesn't hurt you. It's actually tasteless and odorless. It's just put on for the certification of the carcasses there of the animals. So anyway, that's looking good. We're ready to go. Now I'm going to show you a couple of steps. You can see some of the things I got here. I've got fresh onions, and I've got the fresh garlic. You got to have that. Carrots for sure. Okay, all these go in a nice pot roast. First, we got to work on the meat. So I'm going to get this meat working and show you some magic here. We're going to do what I call a wet rub. We're starting with some dry ingredients and some moist ingredients as well. Real simple. We're going to work into this pot roast here, and yeah, here we go. First thing, of course, fresh ground black pepper. Oh yeah, generous amount of black pepper. I would say about a teaspoon we're going to use. Sea salt. Okay, good amount of sea salt. Yeah, we're going to want to flip it over and repeat. Alrighty, next step. We're going to use some Cajun seasonings. I've got about 2 tablespoons here. I'm going to put it on both sides. Oh yeah, this is a mixture of like 25 different spices and herbs. Good stuff. If you need Cajun, check out your sponsor. They got them right there. Next, we're going with some thyme. Oh, it's time for some thyme. Let's put about a teaspoon on each side. Generous amount of thyme is not going to hurt anything. Okay, especially if you got thyme on your hands. Put the thyme on there and let it do its thing. Here we go. Next, we've got brown sugar. I'm going with about a tablespoon of brown sugar, and then we've got Worcestershire sauce. I've got about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Okay, that right there is my dry wet rub. And you can rub it in if you like to. There's no need to. There's one more thing that I didn't put on there. It's going to be essential. Olive oil. Oh yeah, gotta have some olive oil. By the way, you see a lot of my videos. Hopefully you've subscribed. Smash that little like button right down there and subscribe to the channel. I use a lot of olive oil. I only buy extra virgin olive oil. All the chefs like olive oil over here. And once you get your olive oil, the kind you like, 100% pure, extra virgin, first press is the best. Buy it in a can and refill these bottles yourself, little bottles. That's the way to do it. You're going to save a ton of money, and you also know what you're eating. Oh my God, very important to know what you're eating. All right, this is looking good. I do want to get the other side, but I want to let all this penetrate, especially my sugar. So I'm going to very gently flip it over and just give a little dousing like this. Okay, there we go. I'm going to leave this here. Oh, it's looking so good. I'll continue with this this recipe in another video. And by the way, I'm going to cook this on the grill and then reduce the heat and slow cook it. It's looking good. Smash that like button. Check out the next videos. Get cooking and have a beautiful day. My other videos. If you want to learn more about garlic, it's real simple. Subscribe right down here. Put garlic in the little search engine and you're going to find all kinds of things. Garlic facts, garlic nutrition, garlic recipes, how to roast garlic, how to chop garlic, how to mince garlic, how to dice garlic, all kinds of cool stuff. I love it and I eat a lot. You can see what I got going on here. Oh yeah, it's looking really cool. I like it. I'm gonna eat that. Don't forget, hit up your sponsor and get the good stuff. Yeah, get cooking and have a beautiful day. It's gonna be good. If you want to see more, share it with your friends. And if you need custom butcher block, counters, tabletops, even this end grain, it's oh so nice to cut on, contact the sponsor. They're having a sale and I know there's free shipping as well. Yeah, that is the good stuff right there. Chef here. I wanted to talk to you today just real quickly about knife selection as well as knife maintenance. By the way, this set's about 10 years old. Looks brand new. These knives function perfectly. Well maintained, well sharpened. I take care of them. Subscribe on this channel and learn a lot more about knives and knife sets. And with that, get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, got some fresh basil here. It's looking really nice. Look at that color. Smells wonderful. I'm gonna roll this basil up. Do a really quick chiffonade. Please like, share, subscribe, smash that like button, let other people find the video. And if you want to see more about portobello mushrooms as well as pasta dishes, just check out this channel. There's a lot of awesome recipes on there.